Good day to everyone. I am CJ Salinas. Today we are going to talk about Palestine. So first, we are going to go in their attire. So their attire is a Levi's pants, Jubi jacket worn by men and women, Jilaya and embroidered Jubi, often the embroidered outer garment of a wedding costume shambar, large veil common to the Hebron area and southern Palestine. So that picture, take a look at the picture, and that is the what I've been read here. So this is also their attire. So country quick facts. So the state of the Palestine as of 2022, it has a population of 5,300,230. So capital Jerusalem, largest city Gaza, major language Arabic, major religion Islam, life expectancy male 72 and female 76. Monarchy Israel New Shekel, main is export stone, scarp, placid lead, furniture, main imports electricity, refined petroleum, animals, and more. Okay. Palestine symbolized in conflict four colors. So the flag have a four colors. So as we go back in this, so there is a four colors. So the four colors have represent the dynasty. So each dynasty plays a big impact in the country itself. So the Palestine symbol incorporates four colors. So those four colors, these have represent the big four that being malaki yung ambag sa kanilang bansa. So each represent of the major Arab royal dynasties. So first is the black, represent Abbasid dynasty. White symbolize the Umayyad dynasty. Green is associated with the Fatimid dynasty. Red represent the Hashemites who lead the revolt October 19, 2023. So this is the Palestine currency. So there are a lot of uh, um, places that we can visit in Palestine. So first is the Hisham Palace. So second is Gashim Min Park and the Shidekes Cave. So the government of Palestine, Palestine is a legislative council, Congress, in which it was being governed by the President and Legislative Council. The first president was Yashir Arafat, and the current president is Mahmoud Abbas. So, history and events of the Palestine. Actually, Palestine have the country which is napakarami ng history nito. So, in the 1917, Britain conquest from Ottoman support national for the Jewish people in the Palestine, and nothing shall done may produce the civil and religious rights of existing. So in this case, if we are going to shortcut this event in the history event of Palestine, there are four keys. So Israel-Palestine conflict, armed groups, and Israel used to force detention and lock. On the first period here, it is between the Israel and the Palestine. So what was the conflict, 'di ba? Ang gusto kasi ng Israel is kuhanin yung independency nila at kuhanin ang Jerusalem para maging part ng Israel, in which the Jerusalem was part of Palestine. In 2017, US David recognized Jerusalem as a capital of Israel. While noong 1948 naman, the independence of British mandated the Jordan occupy West Bank, Egypt occupies Gaza, and Israel holds the mandate Palestine including the West Jerusalem. So ang daming nangyari in the past few years na kung saan ang daming pumagitna, like Britain and US, pumagitna sila at i-divide nila ang Palestine at ibinigay nila sa ibang mga country. Why? What was the main purpose nito? It is because of the religion itself. Because of the religion, kasi ang Palestine, it was 93% all Muslim. But the holy city or the Jerusalem, the holy city of the Christian is nandun. Diba? This is the main part kung bakit ang daming dugo na dumana sa Palestine. Like gera, minsan gera, and then they end up that they carjack the Palestine Prime Minister. Kumbaga, kinarjack nila yung Palestine Prime Minister, Palestine Prime Minister para makuha yung kanilang independency. Kasi gustong umiwalay ng Jerusalem sa Palestine kasi gusto nila na ma-portray nila yung religion nila o makalayaan nila at that point because of the religion. Look at that. This is the religion on Jerusalem and Bethlehem. Diba? All of this is inside the Palestine, in which the Palestine have the main religion itself is Islam. So kapag Islam at ang yung holy city na tinatawag nila, na holy city na tinatawag natin, in which ito yung kinagisnan natin, pero nasa gitna siya ng Islamic liberation. Diba? So in that kind of situation, gustong kuhanin ng Israel ang Jerusalem. So family structure. Family is a very important, include both nuclear and extended family. Typically, country reporting 4 to 6 people. Women often move in a husband house when married. Adult child live in their partner house until they're married. Conflict in the religion has caused many women and relatives take on the responsibility. So, yung culture nila and tradition nila sa family natin is at sa atin ay pareho. Halos pareho. So, in the conflict of religion, parang pareho din sa Pilipinas, diba? If you have the other religion with the other, if yung napangasawa mo is other religion, ayun yung kind na situation wherein they giving, kumbaga, kailangan mo magpa-convert. Pero sa kanila, ganun din sa kanila. Kung napunta ka sa Islam at isa kang Jewish, kailangan mo magpa-convert. Everyday life, children are raised to respectful as long as possible. Parehas din to sa atin. So gender rules, motherhood, domestic duties, care for children, women sins, parehas lang din sa atin. Father, husband, sin, guardians of the family. So foods, kanin, sherden, pasti is a mild white honey, moshkabe, olive, sumac, caramels, onion, and children, floret. So parehas lang. So hindi na pa natin natitikman yan. So pero that was their food. So masarap daw yan. So their language is Arabic. So hello, maharba, waldia, nim, la is yes, la is no, and al-draja is please, shukra is thank you, and good morning shabal, al-kir, and good. So yung kanilang type of writing, so makikita nyo is Arabic. Kumbaga, this is the old version of writing. So Palestine kids dream into live into peace and get education as other kids in all over the world. So parehas lang din sa atin, kids dream in peace. So alwa aluma alayha maswaliyat ismus, it is means the great power have the great responsibility. If the leader itself have the great responsibility, you will maintain the peace of your country, diba? Even there are war in religion or everything, you would be able to handle it professionally if you know your responsibilities. So that would be all my report. Thank you.